Hello guys, it is me Luigi, and as you know, it is Christmas, guys. Well, I'm doing a Christmas unboxing video. I don't think we ever did a Christmas unboxing video on my channel. I don't know. Well, this might be the first one. So today we're unboxing Ridley. Alright, let's go. Alright. Alright, hold on, so... Give me a second. There he is. Oh, Ridley. Oh, nice. There's Ridley, everybody. Look at him. He's so cool, guys. Ridley. Oh my God. Well, so I remember, like, I was opening in Christmas. I wasn't sure which character it was, but I was so happy it was Ridley because I wanted the Ridley Amiibo. Well, anyways, guys, I have my other collection of Amiibos here. Now Ridley's finally in my collection of Amiibos. Look, guys. Wait, hold on. Look, guys. Hold on. Ridley is right there. Well, guys, hope you guys liked the video. Have a very good Christmas, and see you guys in the next video. Peace out.